Space. It's big, bright, and full of surprises. Just look up at the night sky. What do you see? Twinkling stars, a glowing moon, maybe even a shooting star. Space is full of amazing things to discover. Have you ever wondered about those bright lights in the sky? Some are planets, like our very own Earth. Others are stars, giant balls of burning gas that light up the universe. And some are mysteries waiting to be solved. Space exploration is our way of taking a closer look at all these wonders. It's like a grand adventure, a journey into the unknown. Think of it like setting sail across the ocean for the first time, except this time, we're sailing through the stars. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, but with every new discovery, we learn more about our place in it. So, buckle up, space cadets. Our journey to the stars is about to begin. Our fascination with space is not new. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the stars and wondered about their secrets. We've created stories about constellations, told myths about the moon, and dreamed of traveling to distant worlds. Then, something amazing happened. In 1957, a small metal sphere called Sputnik One was launched into space. This was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth, and it marked the beginning of the space age. Suddenly, our dreams of space travel were becoming a reality. Just a few years later, in 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space. Can you imagine the view from up there? These early missions were just the beginning. Soon we were sending probes to other planets, landing rovers on Mars, and even building a space station where astronauts could live and work for months at a time. Space exploration is more than just sending rockets into the void. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Every mission, every observation, helps us answer some of the biggest questions about our universe. Think about it. How did the universe begin? Are we alone in the cosmos? What are those mysterious black holes we keep hearing about? These are questions that have puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. By studying stars and galaxies, we can learn about the origins of the universe. By sending probes to other planets, we can search for signs of life beyond Earth. And by building powerful telescopes, we can peer deeper into space than ever before. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. It's like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece revealing a little bit more about the bigger picture. Okay, let's be honest. Space exploration does involve a lot of rocket science, and math, and engineering. But don't let that scare you. It's also incredibly cool and exciting. Imagine designing a rover that can drive on Mars, building a telescope that can see billions of light years away, or even figuring out how to grow food in space. These are the kinds of challenges that space exploration presents. And the best part? Solving these challenges often leads to new technologies and innovations that benefit us right here on Earth. For example, did you know that the technology used in your smartphone's camera was originally developed for space telescopes? So the next time you snap a selfie, remember that you have space exploration to thank for it. A giant leap for humankind. Remember that first step on the moon? It wasn't just a small step for Neil Armstrong. It was a giant leap for all of humanity. Space exploration has a way of bringing people together, inspiring us to dream bigger and reach further. When we send humans into space, it's a reminder that anything is possible if we put our minds to it. It shows us that we can overcome even the most daunting challenges when we work together. And the benefits of space exploration go beyond just national pride. International collaborations on projects like the International Space Station have helped to foster global cooperation and understanding. In a way, space exploration reminds us that we're all part of something much larger than ourselves. It gives us a sense of perspective and reminds us that our differences here on Earth are small compared to the vastness of the universe. Is space the final frontier for problems on Earth? Here's a thought. Could the solutions to some of Earth's biggest problems be found in space? It might sound crazy, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Space exploration is already helping us to address issues like climate change. Satellites orbiting Earth provide valuable data on weather patterns, deforestation, and pollution levels, giving us a better understanding of our planet's health. And as we venture further into space, we may discover new resources and technologies that can help us create a more sustainable future. For example, some asteroids are rich in precious metals, which could one day be mined to reduce our reliance on Earth's limited resources. Space exploration forces us to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to complex problems. Who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us in the vast expanse of space? Inspiring the next generation of explorers. Looking to the future, it's clear that space exploration will continue to play a vital role in shaping our world. And who will lead us on these future journeys of discovery? The next generation, of course. That's why it's so important to inspire young people today to get excited about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM. We need curious minds and adventurous spirits to tackle the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Imagine a future where children dream of becoming astronauts, engineers, or astrophysicists, just as readily as they dream of becoming doctors, teachers, or artists. In a world facing complex challenges, we need all the bright minds we can get. So, if you're a young person watching this, remember that the future of space exploration is in your hands. Never stop asking questions, never stop exploring, and never stop reaching for the stars. Our destiny among the stars. From our humble beginnings on Earth, we have come a long way in our exploration of the cosmos. We've sent humans to the moon, rovers to Mars, and probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system. And this is just the beginning. The universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore, we will undoubtedly face new challenges and make new discoveries that will reshape our understanding of our place in the universe. But one thing is certain: the spirit of exploration, the thirst for knowledge, and the desire to push the boundaries of what's possible will continue to drive us forward. The journey to the stars is a journey of discovery, and it's a journey that belongs to all of us. So keep looking up at the stars, keep dreaming big, and never stop exploring. The future of space exploration, and indeed the future of humanity, is bright.